This medicine is called Chatha Speit, and the name relates with what it does to you. This medicine, you syringe it, and then it will go into your stomach through your anal tube and your bowel, and then it will flush your stomach, removing some bad stuff and bad magics of witches or whatsoever is troubling you. It clears and gives your body breathing. And then we have seen people that uses this Chatha Speit medicine being very flexible. It even helps them in their sexual power, appetite, and energy. It also helps to remove amadiso. It always works well with Palazza vomit kappa. It actually has to meet up with what Palazza vomit kappa had done or pushed from upside when you have actually taken it through drinking. So this Chatha Speit is very, very, very helpful when you have waist pains and you have some little bit of pains on your private parts, especially men on your balls and stuff. It really frees a man to perform freely and always feel free and energetic during their bedtime with their loved ones. Yeah, yeah. You may order one of yours. It only costs you as little as 550 rand only. We have spread to many places of Southern Africa and the country. You will find us on the numbers provided.